Hey guys, welcome to my gaming dungeon. Today we're going to do something...
Sweat pit.
Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go and check out these vegan roasts, which look absolutely insane. So this is seitan, and this is cauliflower cheese, and they got Yorkshire puddings, which is something that we've not really had vegan Yorkshire puddings yet.
You can never fit them in the oven.
No, well at home we've not really made good ones, but we haven't really tried that much.
No.
And we've never had them when we're eating out, so they look incredible. They do like a seitan roast, they do some kind of Wellington, and they've got a vegetable roast as well. Obviously they've got the cauliflower cheese, and they've got some like nice desserts. I don't know what we're gonna get. Maybe Abby will get the Wellington.
I'm getting Wellington, 100%.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get the seitan roast, and we're gonna share it.
No, we're not.
We're gonna share them.
I'm not sharing.
So yeah, these guys are called Bun Fiction. They're from Bristol. They do these incredible. If you follow us on Instagram, you've probably already seen them. They do like these big vegan baguettes. They got like a Philly cheesesteak one, which is amazing. They got chicken, a big chicken one. They got tons. They got like a Thai one, I think, or something. They got
Chinese style mushroom was one of them.
Yeah, and I think they got a jackfruit one as well. So yeah, anyway, they're amazing, and this is really close to us, so we're just gonna walk there. We're gonna check it out, and we are really excited because it's a big old piled up Sunday roast, which is hard to find.
It really is.
So yeah.
Say it again.
When the saints go marching in.
Seriously.
Princess Pretty Pea in her pink castle.
We live on King Street, and I live in my pink pretty pad.
So we wouldn't be together then.
That's right, single life.
Fucking awful you are.
Electric orange.
I think it's quite
Ew, that's so cute.
Oh, vegan now. These guys do the best pizza ever. Oh no. It's actually a really cool place. Pretending to read. Okay, so you're going to get the Wellington, yeah?
Wellington.
So we're going to share that. Yorkie pea.
So we'll get a portion of that.
Extra potatoes and extra gravy, probably.
No, let's just... You can always have extra potatoes, how much it comes with.
Extra Yorkie, two Yorkshire puddings. I can't even speak, I'm so excited. Okay, so we ended up getting a seitan roast. Abby got the Wellington, but we're gonna share our food anyway, aren't we, I think?
Share.
I don't know what we're gonna get. Maybe Abby will get the Wellington.
I'm getting Wellington, 100%.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get the seitan roast, and we're gonna share it.
No, we're not.
We're gonna share them.
I'm
so.
not sharing.
She's changed her mind because she panicked at the till, and now we're sharing. We've got extra Yorkshire puddings, collie cheese.
Yeah.
And that's the extras, yeah.
And that's that.
It's a really cool place in here, isn't it?
Really nice.
Now we just need food. I feel like a zombie now.
No food and wine. That's a good combo.
So the food just came so quick. It just came in like 5 minutes.
They obviously have everything prepped
Yeah.
and ready.
So this is the seitan roast, which it literally looks like folded up bits of meat. That looks incredible. It's even got like some kind of like rind on it. I don't even know what you call that. Where's your Wellington? Yeah, look at it.
Here he is.
Oh, that looks lush.
Look at that cute little Yorkie.
Cauliflower cheese, that looks so good. How is it? Oh, that looks so good. cheese again, so.
Back in for more.
Oh, that's so good.
You do like.
Gravy on the boobsicle.
Okay, so personally I absolutely loved it. I thought it was incredible. It was the best roast dinner I've ever eaten out, I think. The seitan was incredible. It was like smoky, meaty. It was just really, really good.
So I thought the roasted potatoes were delicious because normally when you eat out they don't roast them enough.
We like boiled.
But yeah, they're like boiled and then
Soft
barely in the
potato.
oven. But these ones were like crispy heaven.
Yeah,
Their
proper
kale,
roasties.
their broccoli, the cabbage.
Oh, the
like,
kale and the
everything
broccoli was
lush.
like oven roasted or something, wasn't it? It was like
Yeah.
crunchy, crispy, like Chinese seaweed or something. It was lush.
And for people that would like a meat replacement, obviously the seitan would be perfect.
The
But for me,
seitan-
I would never normally eat meat with roast. Like
Yeah.
even when I ate meat, I would choose to have like Linda McCartney sausages or something.
I think Abby is just going to get the vegetable one next
Yeah,
time.
I'll just get the vegetable
The thing
and some
is,
extra potatoes.
The seitan was so good that I would ask her to get the seitan one for me. But I got 4 big slices of it, so I didn't need any more. It was like I was stuffed.
No, you didn't need more.
The Yorkies were good. They were crispy on the outside, but they were a little bit undercooked in the middle, weren't they?
Yeah, that's a shame.
Carrots, parsnips were good.
Yeah.
Gravy was amazing.
Gravy was nice and
Gravy
salty.
was really, really good actually. Ale was really good. You loved the wine, didn't you? Your
Red
wine
wine
was
was
really
lush.
nice.
Cauliflower
cheese was really, really good actually.
Yeah, that
wasn't it?
was lush.
The sauce was actually really cheesy in flavour, which was nice. So we're definitely going to go back. We'll probably go back next Sunday, won't we? So. Yeah, we're really tired now. We shouldn't have had a drink on a Sunday afternoon really, because it makes it really hard to function now. So let's end this, shall we?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.